ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua abwatani baya mana abegenwa ba witima CK ime ya Othaya basaganwa amaga yokoruterwa ebirusia marioki chingaki omoroberio bogosasima ogenderete nabo nigo enibe tamanyiri yasaliwa ase chigari cyaya nabo igabange gotigerwa chingoma chintindi okwana omorai oyo korwa asense moyaye ya wamnyoro nigagikeirie gekorekyo nabo igokoerera chintunde serikali yatemire kumurusia obomoyo
narusha maya narusha maya tukienda polisi wanawaita uone nyuma kana wacha hizo kaka wacha.
Thank you very much for coming, good people from the press. I've called this press briefing after the very violent attack and assassination attempt by government through the Kenya Police Service today in Wetima, Othaya, where we had gone for a church service. And I want to correct that media stations earlier reported that attack by unknown people. It is not unknown. This attack was by the police, and we'll give you the details. Let me give the background to these vicious attacks and assassination attempts to take my life by President William Ruto and his rogue administration. After successfully hounding me out of office through bribery of members of parliament and members of the Senate, the president and his administration has attempted to assassinate me several instances. In November 2024, gangs from the Mungiki sect under police escort attacked me in Lemuru viciously and almost killed me. I was saved by the people from the area. Images of those who attacked me have been all over. Since then, nobody has ever been arrested. On December 2024 in Shamata, where I had gone for a Thanksgiving ceremony for the local MCA in Nyandarua, an inspector of police hurled tear gas canister at me to create mayhem and to give room to goons to attack us. Again, members of the public protected us. I reported this incident to the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kaja, who is my neighbor here. Nothing has ever happened. In April 2025, I got information that William Ruto had instructed the DIG, his tribesman, Mr. Langat, to make sure there is no police presence in Mweki Church, where goons had been organized by Governor Sakaja to come and attack me and kill me within a church. Again, members of the public and my security protected me, and the goons did not achieve what they had come to do. Earlier in February, goons and a police escort attacked Pastor Dorcas, my spouse, in Kabuji grounds when she was preaching, where there was a crusade. Again, today, nothing has ever been done. In July, when I was in the United States, my team of Senators Joe Nyuto and John Medho of Nyandarua, Victor Monyaka, the former member of parliament for Machakos Town, were attacked by police with live bullets. This matter was reported to IPOA. Again, no action has ever been taken.